So let me give you an overview of what all accessories being fitted on this motorcycle. The first one is the noticeable thing, knuckle guards. Bro, what is the price of this?
800 rupees.
800 rupees for the knuckle guards. It looks quite decent and sturdy enough.
It's a KTM.
Yeah, KTM knuckle guards it is, but there is no steel bar inside it. No steel bar in it. It is just for looks, but serves basic purpose. And next one is the Mad Dog fog lamps. It is a 4-spot fog lamps. And what is the price of this, bro?
6,000 change.
Around 6,000 for the Mad Dog fog lamps, because it is in high demand and we don't get it in the market now. So the price has hiked so much. And a radiator guard in the front and engine guard to the side. So is this proper BS6?
Yeah, slightly altered.
Slightly. What is alteration, bro? Where is alteration?
Here.
So
this does not generally sit. It has to sit here.
okay.
So since this is a BS4 type, so altered for BS6.
BS6. So earlier you never used to use this L clamp to fix this crash guard, but now we have to fix this until unless we get the new models of crash guards coming
Otherwise,
to the market.
you'll have to cut down this and go ahead and insert and then go ahead and do the welding.
Okay.
So rather than cutting the originality, so we have used a clamp which is pretty
Strong
good,
enough
decent
to
enough.
hold it. It is painted or it comes stock
No,
like
it
this?
is painted.
It is painted.
And here is the casing
Radiator guard. Radiator guard, and we have a
stand.
foot stand as well, the extended one, so that it takes the bike a stronger stand. And the next important thing is the drum guard, rear brake drum guard, and the oil chamber guard.
And we also used a silencer wrap.
So a silencer wrap is done. I have to ask him a review after a few days how good it is efficient in controlling the heat coming to the legs. And what else, bro? What else is there?
And just the
And
charger.
a wired Bobo charger, and he has got with the Mad Dog switches so that it is good in quality and lasts long. Even this cap is add an accessory. And what else is there?
Nothing more.
Nothing more. And we have plans of going with the Pioneer stay and the top box, the black one. So we are hunting for it. It is not available in the market, so it will take some time for us to fetch one. So once we get it, it will be placed.
And we will also go ahead and give another review after about.
Yeah. So
service.
the vehicle has gone for keys.
Not much, just about probably 50 kilometers.
The vehicle has run around 61 kilometers in the Odo. Hope you guys can see it. And this is the new add-on to the motorcycle from the manufacturer. And let's listen to the sound of the engine. Coming from a BS4 to BS6, the throttle feels so soft. It is not like that hard what I feel in my motorcycle. It might be due to 3 years of usage and might be wear and tear here and there.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks for watching it.